A presentation can be daunting. Showcasing your facts and analysis can be visually difficult. What's more, the average human attention span is only 8 seconds long. It has to not be text-heavy and easily comprehensible. All of which are no issue for a master of Microsoft Excel. Join us for our Data Storytelling with Excel program, where you experience how Excel will help you organize and turn your data into magically crafted charts and graphs that is sure to help you for any presentation. Getting your point across will be as easy as telling a bedtime story. This course, which is also IBF accredited, is up to 90% subsidized for Singaporean residents and PRs. Scan the QR code or visit the link to register for it today. You can also visit our website and check out our upcoming webinar previews by clicking the events tab at cyberquote.com/sg, or simply contact us at support@cyberquote.com.sg. We look forward to helping you.